First one of these I've done, 2015 Chevrolet SS sedan. Of course, these were built by Holden for General Motors, imported from Australia, and they are beautiful. This particular car, 6.2 liter underneath the hood, 415 horsepower, 415 pound-feet of torque. That'd be the LS3. That is paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission in this one with tap shift. So 6-speed automatic with tap shift, 6.2 liter LS3 underneath the hood. Clean Carfax, 2-owner, adult owned and driven South Dakota car. And it shows red hot to be the color this one is considered. Jet black leather interior. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, front parking assist sensors. Riding on the alloy wheels, the big Brembo brakes up front would be standard on this particular car. You can also see that the windows side glass has been tinted, so make sure you know your state and local laws on percentage of tint. FYI, just to give you the heads up on that. Car looks great with it that way, of course. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Do a little research on these. These are very well-equipped cars. So you have leather buckets, heated and ventilated seats, memory seating, power seats both sides. We're going to check out the interior here in a bit. Let you see the option. We'll look it over a little bit closer. You can tell the paint's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, you may have a real small rock chip that's been touched up here or there. It's been driven 19,000 miles. It's driven a few, not many. It also has I believe it would be a ceramic coating or a protective coating as far as the paint. And I have a picture of that right here, done in 21 R1 coatings. All right, now let's take a look at the door panels for starters. So Bose stereo system, of course your memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all the standard equipment that you're gonna expect on this one. One of the cars that I always mention has floor mats on the floor mats. So the stock floor mats are underneath the rubber ones, and you can see those in the still pictures. As far as the seating area, no abnormal wear. You get a little of just how the leather natural wrinkles come from getting in and out, but no other wear that you would expect. So seats, great condition. Of course, all your steering wheel controls, and this would also have heads-up display, MyLink, dual electronic climate control. Also would have your mode select as far as suspension settings. You'd have touring and different settings for the suspension. Great handling car. Of course, the tap shift automatic, mentioned that earlier. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So check out the exact miles. And everything in working order. This particular one, there's your miles, 19,612. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just flashing to tell me to put my seatbelt on. And you can also see the heads-up display right there. Very refined interior on these cars. Very comfortable. Take a look at the passenger seat, and you can see front and rear seating in the still pictures. This would also have your power sliding sunroof. No disappointments. I cannot see any modifications that have been done to this car either. So still stock. Again, clean Carfax, 2-owner, South Dakota car. Little rumble coming out of that 6.2. Now it's a whole different story when you're on the throttle. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to at least give you a look at the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a peek at the hood liner here first. You can see this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look at how clean that is. And as well for the engine bay. Again, Holden built Chevrolet SS 2015 model year. 6.2 LS3 under the hood. You don't see a lot of these around, folks. If you've been looking for one of these, here's your opportunity. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're watching it on YouTube. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call it.